You just got it all. There you got it.
Get somebody else to do it. Get somebody else to do it.
Sure don't. Yeah, they must did change them up a little bit. They different than what they been. Yeah.
That's what a morning fog in Carolina look like. Can't see shit. There's restaurants and everything right here. That shit ain't nobody coming out, man. People can't fucking drive. Think about hitting that damn road today.
Going back home.
Yeah. Let's see.